Okay, so I'm about to put the key in. And I'm going to turn it. Now I'm going to take the key out. And wait a few seconds. I don't know what this clicking noise is. There's no key in there, no nothing.